Hi Luli and Annie, this is your lesson 8, Reading Fossils, Earth's Age. For the vocabulary of today, you have 4 words. The first word is accurate, which means something that it's careful and it's not making mistakes. And then we have the word evolution. Evolution, it's a process of change in a certain direction. It's the name that several scientists um, give to theories about how life began and developed on Earth. Then we have the word geological. Geological, it's something that has to do with geology, with the layers of the Earth or with the landforms of the Earth. And then method. Method, it's the way to do something. Okay, so we've been talking about fossils and how to identify them. And one way to identify fossils is by the age that they might have been first deposited on the ground. This method could be a problem if you don't believe in evolution. Okay, some people use these theories of evolution to try to disprove creation and the flood because they don't believe in God. And some people believe that life began as something random or as an accident over millions of years. Some people classify fossils according to geological age of the soil and rock. But other scientists, called creation scientists, think that the Earth is not millions of years old, but thousands of years old. They believe that fossils formed at the time of the flood and think that the different layers of soil and rock found in the Earth formed as a result of the flood. And they would say that the methods used to date ancient objects are not accurate or reliable. They think that there's a mistake when people believe that the earth is really old. They use as an example some cases where they have been found younger fossils below older fossils because that dating method believes that the other scientists, the first scientists that I was talking about, they believe that it's by time. So the fossils that are under are older and the ones that are on top are younger. But there are some examples when it's the other way around, and that doesn't make a lot of sense. Okay, so there's a group of Christian scientists that have developed a theory called intelligent design. Intelligent design helps to explain creation and development of life on Earth. They say that the complexity and the intelligence built into DNA, which is like the recipe for human beings that we have inside our cells, and actually the cells of living things cannot be accidental or random. It's too complex to be just an accident. It has to be God who provided this intelligent design. Some of these scientists say that although the earth and fossils might indeed be millions of years old, God created all that exists and guided the development of his creation. So God created all and he guided his creation. Who do we believe? Some scientists sometimes don't agree with each other. They have different explanations for the same thing. Explanations from scientists can change over time as new information becomes available. Okay, so they have different ways to explain the same thing. One thing, though, is that as Christians, we believe that God created something. We can accept theories, or as your lesson explains, evolutionary theories or explanations that discount the existence of God or His creation. Because obviously, if you believe in God, then you believe that God created everything. So you can believe at the same time in God, and you can believe at the same time that God didn't start creation. Okay, that would be it, girls.